What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today is racing a 2016 WRX versus a 2004 Nissan 350Z. Both cars have just exhaust. This one has intake as well. That one does not, so we're gonna call them stock. This car makes the factory rating is 268 horsepower. This one is like 274.
That's a close call.
Very, very close call, but this car does weigh 200 more pounds. But, and then, this car is also rear-wheel drive. That one's all-wheel drive, of course. So the drivetrain loss on the WRX is gonna be quite a bit more. So I think if we go from a roll, it's gonna be dead even. From a dig, of course, the all-wheel drive car is gonna take it. So go drop a comment in the comment section below right now and let me know what you think is gonna win this battle.
I feel like this car is really fast for being stock.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Really.
I don't even know why I'm a part of this. I'm gonna wax him.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Sorry, babe.
This is my brother Cameron.
What's up, guys?
Hear that ECR now?
Okay.
Let the trumpet sing. That's puny. That reminds me of like a little Vespa moped you'd see Bobby ripping down the road on.
I don't have an excuse. I let you get a little jump just so I could kind of match.
There you
see
go.
if I could pull up, but let's let this car go by. And
That was like identical, honestly.
it was really close.
Yeah.
I just couldn't make up any ground at all.
Should we go from a dig? He would wax me though, because I'd just spin like a mofo.
The dig would be funner.
Did I scare ya? Let's do it.
Wow.
That's not even, yeah. This thing just spins like a mofo.
That tire smells real nice.
I know. Yeah, that's such a, man. Yeah, from a dig I just can't keep up. Either I bog out or I freaking just spin because there's snow tires on here right now. It's kind of bummy.
Yeah, it is lovely.
Alright. Get it. Good? Yeah.
moving by. He was like pointing down. I don't know what he was doing. Slow down. We weren't even doing that fast.
No.
No. We were maybe doing 45, but it sounded like we were probably.
Yeah.
That was a pretty close race, just like I expected. Like from a roll, like literally dead even. From a dig though, not even close.
Yeah.
Especially that time I spun. So yeah.
Yeah, it was good. Pissing people off, burned some rubber.
Hell yeah, burning all the snow tires up.
Yeah.
I have another race maybe for you guys. If you want to see it, you have to let us know. Come here.
Okay.
Zoom in on the two beautiful whips.
What do you guys want to see these race?
Genesis Coupe, 2.0 turbo. Do you know how much power your car makes?
Like one something.
One something?
I don't know.
According to Bobby, according to my girlfriend, it makes 100 horsepower.
No. It's like 220.
Yeah, I would say it's like 220.
Yeah.
Versus the 350Z, which is probably way heavier. I don't know. I've driven both and I feel like your car feels faster. But then again, that car feels way faster than the Z driving
Yeah.
it. So if you guys want to see that race, drop a comment in the comment section below. Leave a like. You don't have to leave a like, I'm just kidding. Just drop a comment. So yeah, we're gonna go do a beautiful photo shoot of Cameron.
Sorry.
We're gonna do a photo shoot of Cameron's beautiful Subaru WRX. Guys, this is not a STI, this is a WRX. I don't know if you watched the last video. If you're new here, you probably didn't know, but this is a WRX with all STI, like wing and all that stuff. It looks sick, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you wanna see those cars race,
Goodbye.
let me know. Peace out.